Hi friends, this is Eigen Tech Buddies and you're watching Eigen Tech Buddies YouTube channel. If you are seeing my channel at first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications on your phone. And if you like the video, don't forget to click the thumb icon. So let's get started. So the call fee recruiting candidates to fill their various vacancies. You can read these various vacancies. So assistant foreman mechanical, then fitter, electrician, turner, then machinist. So there are 512 vacancies are there. The salary is up to 35,000. So for freshers, that is for trainers, this is a good salary for trainers. Then the last date for application is 25th August 2020. So these are the position details. You can check it out. The vacancy details, in underserved category, SC/ST category, OBC category and total category. And these are the vacancies details. You can read it out. Then the entry level position, assistant foreman. For assistant foreman, the salary is 31,852 rupees per month. For assistant foreman mechanical, the salary is 31,850 rupees per month. For technician, 1,065 rupees per day, and technician electrician 1,065 rupees per day, technician turner 1,065 rupees per day, technician machinist 1,065 rupees per day, and technician welder 1,034 rupees per day. And there is age limit. The candidates must have attained minimum age of 18 years as on crucial date, and the age not exceed beyond the upper age limit is 30 years old. However, age relaxation will be given. For underserved category, there is no age relaxation. For SC/ST category, 5 years of age relaxation will be given, and for OBC category, NCL OBC, non-creamy layer category, 3 years of age relaxation will be there, and for PW physically disabled category, these are the age relaxations. Then we can check the qualification details. For assistant foreman, the qualification needed for the post is matriculate or equivalent examination passed from a recognized university and have a diploma or relevant higher qualification, minimum 3 years course in electronics engineering from a recognized university. Then assistant foreman mechanical, the qualification needed for the post is obviously 10th standard, that is matriculate. Then after that, diploma 3-year course and higher. If you have any higher qualification, you can apply. You can also apply diploma. Then next one is technician fitter. The qualification needed for the post is matriculate or equivalent examination passed from any recognized board, and you must have an ITI in fitter trade along with the trade certificate issued by NCVT or SCVT, minimum 1 year apprenticeship training certificate. Then technician electrician, qualification obviously matriculate, that is SSLC or SSC, anything like that, or equivalent qualification needed for the post, and 2 years of course ITI in electrician trade with a minimum of 1 year apprenticeship training. Technician turner, matriculate or equivalent with ITI 2 years course in turner trade with minimum 1 year of apprenticeship training. Then technician machinist, matriculate or equivalent along with trade certificate issued by NCVT or SCVT with minimum 1 year of apprenticeship training certificate. Then technician welder, the qualification needed for the post is matriculate with ITI in welder trade with minimum of 1 year of apprenticeship training. So there is an application fees for unreserved OBC and EWS category. 500 rupees of application fees is there. For SC, SG, PWD, ESM departmental candidates, there is no application fees. Then we can check how to apply. The candidates are advised to log in into the official website of NCL by using www.nclcal.in. By that, from that career page, then recruitment, then notification for direct recruitment of assistant foreman, technician, fitter, electrician, turner, machinist, welder, and then apply online. So candidates belonging to categories other than SC, ST, ex-servicemen, departmental candidates and PWD candidates are required to pay a non-refundable application fees of Rs 500 rupees through online. If a candidate has gone through the advertisement properly, then they have to utilize the links as given below for making their application to the notified positions as per eligibility. So the step 1 is registration step, then fee payment step, then applying, then submission. These are the 4 steps to apply online. So the eligible candidates meeting the minimum eligibility criteria as on crucial date as specified under notification will be required to appear for a written test. The selection will be based on a candidate's relative score in the written test. So the candidates who meet the eligibility criteria can apply for the job before 25th August through online. If you have any doubts regarding the job, you can comment on my comment box. If your friends or relatives are eligible for this job, please share with them also. The official notification link and this applying link are given in the description box. Thank you.